about my business. Let's live life and stop. Corona guys, mana tlolang hore botsisa ka batho lo ronga re ise felo ka bona. The TP, it's, I remember now I'm not a scalper, I'm a day trader as I said, so I'm gonna hold it, you understand? Yeah, I'm a pattern trader, let's say, or perish like a pattern trader, and you always identify this pattern first. Yeah, I'm a pattern trader and it's working so fine. Guys, naga kopa, if you see something drama in the game, don't be asking me, my feet level. Let's come put these. Understand? Because, low now, on your nanas, bro, which time frame do you start from? I start from the daily. You guys are asking me things that are not even building us, but they will make us fight. Because you comment something about someone, then people run and say, they say this about you. So let's not make niggas feel special when you're on live. We can just do us and then life goes on. Hormang, oring, kailamang, whatever they are, let them be. We are us. Understand? We don't care. What about gold, say? What do you see on gold, my G? What do you see on gold? The problem is not you. Guys, now I'm selective when I trade. It's not everything. You see, guys, this pair I told you to sell. Look where it's going now. Now I'm a nice trader in the USD. I only trade two things, you understand? Can you please show me how to backtest on TradingView? I'm struggling. First, you need to pay for your TradingView, my boy. Pay for your TradingView to give you all the tools. When you paid, man, TradingView, it's more than what you think it is. That thing is in a little skill in Fana. That thing it was made go China straight, boy. It is a lot of skill that is just Tana that Mara, this one is for the unpaid one, where you can go to the daily time frame. I wanna how to go to the daily time frame, or you can use your replay button. You cut the market there, and after cutting the market there, then this is the advantage of having a replay. You have your low, all right. There's the setup. It has to buy till that level, then can sell, and then you press, whatever. That's how you backtest and focus. That's why you need to pay, whatever. Otlabale features say so. There's more to this thing. Probably not easy Forex or Instagram. But there's more to this. Your mentor doesn't even know something.
Hi traders and aspiring traders, I'm sorry to disturb your viewing pleasure of this video, but this couldn't wait. I've got good news for you who have been looking for a transparent and reliable broker. I want to recommend this new broker that I've recently been using. It's called FX Pro. I had the best experience with it since I've started using. Amongst the advantages of trading with FX Pro broker, I would like to note zero spread whenever you place a trade on your Forex account, deposit from as little as 200 rands. A ZAR-based trading account. Get this, FX Pro will double your deposit, meaning 100% of your deposited amount will be credited to the trading account. However, maximum credit amount will be $1,000. But I want to warn you that this credit is there to give you leverage in the market and you cannot withdraw it. Meaning what you can withdraw, it is the money that you deposited or your profits from the market, not the credit. And now, just for you, now they are organizing giveaway of valuable prizes such as Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra, iPhone 14 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S23, iPad the 10th generation, iPhone 14 256 gig. All you need to do to participate in this giveaway is to register via my link down below the description box. Secondly, make a deposit and start trading. On September 22nd, the FX Pro Instagram account will run a giveaway among the participants. Make sure you stand a chance of winning by clicking the link below to register and to deposit and start trading right now. Trade like a pro with FX Pro.
Ndiyabonga ngoba ngangishiye anyathanda bao. Aye guys, me not give up here. On this platform we never reach 200 when we're analyzing. I'm giving up. Yeah, but these things in my analysis, this is my power. This is my work. This is my craft. Understand? This is my craft. This platform, you guys hate me. Nah, Joe, I want a busy platform. I wonder if we start reaching bigger numbers. Hey, that's when we can say we can do this thing every day. Just imagine analyzing is it 80 people or what? Yeah, we need a crowd, yeah, so that I need masters so they can be challenging, you understand? I need SMC guys, everyone. Come in, let's help each other. Even though let's get ready liquidity. Hey, flop analyzing on Instagram, it's too expensive, you know? Instagram is expensive. The people there it's too nice. What's SMC? SMC is this other known strategy by big terms, but it's not making money. Bao ndiabo ngoba. Understand? So it's this other broker guys. They don't make money, but they talk, they back. To those who want my numbers, guys, my numbers is not here. I wanted to give you guys my number because a lot of time there's something I was selling. You remember I told you about the NBA entry strategy. So now yesterday entry it's on 200 NBA entry strategy. I could show you the results. There are a lot of results. You can make money with it anytime. So this is my number. If you want a screenshot, you can screenshot 082 300 1445. This is my number, guys. 082 300 1445. What's not working on the VIX pair? Anything that has a candlestick on it, if I put a trend line, it will work. Anything that has a trend line, if I put anything with a candlestick, if I put a trend line, it will work. Yes, I'm on Facebook. I am on WhatsApp. You see, guys, anything, just think of something in your mind. Anything that you can think in your mind, if I put a trend line, it will work. I don't want to lie. Anything you think that it won't work, if I put a trend line, it will work. We can bet anything that comes into your mind. Understand? Guys, you need to believe in your strategy. The time, get a trend line. Get a market structure. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, we're talking about SMC, boss. Alright. Nah, we are not fighting, boss. We are not fighting. Nah, beg, we're not fighting. Let me see if it will write. Yeah, I did write my number there, if you can see as a comment. We're not fighting. We don't fear her land. So, guys, yeah, on the next live, guys, I'll invite SMC community. I'll invite what community can we invite? Falcon style of trading. Yeah, guys, you see, I see a lot of people, they trade Falcon, you know, in SA, ne? Let me turn this. I'm about to end the live in 2 minutes. I just want to be realistic with you guys. You see, in SA, guys, I introduced Falcon to a lot of people. In SA, mentors were hiding behind the strategy they're using. Then MANANDOTHEGOAT came out. And I told you guys about Falcon, you know. Give me my flowers and I'm still alive. A lot of people knew Falcon through me. A lot of you guys knew Falcon through me. People were hiding it. Your favorite mentors, they were hiding it. And then a Tonga guy came and said, fuck this nonsense. It's about to end. And then I gave you the real plug. Today, I made a lot of you guys. I understand, that's true, man. Like I came and I said, this is Falcon. When people like saying, yo, you know how much I paid for these 5K cars in dollars? Like, this nigga paid 95,000 to learn that. What the fuck, that nigga? Also me, I'm watching your videos and you mention Falcon. Bro, I've been mentioning Falcon. In SA, they know I'm the plug. Never kept it a secret. But we have people who are analyzing like Falcon. They're like, we are self-taught. You are using Falcon concepts, but you are self-taught. How are you going to use Falcon concepts and you say you're self-taught? You can't do it. You can't. Murife, you can't do it, my brother. Like, you can't. Falcon is a strategy. Guys, go to my YouTube channel. Go follow at MANANDOTHEGOAT. Share with your friends. If we reach 20K this month, guys, we're just gonna go back to free stuff. You understand? If we reach 20K on our YouTube channel, trust me, the content that I'm gonna post, damn, that should get me. You understand? When we hit plus 27, I think it's plus 27. Let me just show you my page, guys. When we reach